First of all, it's a great pleasure to be back here in Hyderabad. It's a real opportunity to connect with all the visitors, with a lot of questions, a lot of engagements. So it feels very warm, very good, very good.
We are from T5, Government of Telangana. Actually, I am very much thankful to our CNC for organizing this every year.
Putting his huge effort to make it very successful. So certainly that is a fantastic experience altogether this year actually.
We Claron Fiber Optics are very much happy with the response we got in CNC EXPO 11th edition.
Every year it is really making more and more excitement.
Happening events, and today happens to be one of the best days that I have seen.